Let's continue your lesson. Don't forget to practice your letter sounds on your own time. Here we go. In this lesson, we are going to be learning 2 new letter sounds. U and G. U, G. We're going to be using these letter sounds to continue our lesson. Here we go. What is the first sound in lot? Lot. Ooh. Lot. What is the first sound in sat? Sat. Sat. What is the first sound in mom? Mom. Mom. What is the first sound in at? At. At. Okay, now we're going to be looking for a word that starts with ooh. Is it house, dog, lamb, or salt? Which word starts with ooh? Lamb. We're looking for a word that starts with S. Is it kite, socks, van, or rain? What word starts with S? Socks. We're looking for a word that starts with Is it man, cap, jam, or foot? Which word starts with Man. We're looking for a word that starts with Is it sun, apple, moon, or car? What word starts with Apple. Now let's say the letter sounds to spell out a word. Say it with me. This says ram. Let's go to the next one. T. What do you think that is? T. Rat. G. What do you think that is? G. Hag. Last one. S. What do you think that is? S. Gas. Now we're looking for a word that starts with Is it ram, doll, cat, or children? Which one starts with Ram starts with We're looking for a word that starts with Let's try to find another word that starts with Okay? Is it square, rat, sun, or bat? What starts with Rat. We're looking for a word that starts with T. Can you find a word that starts with T? Is it foot, hat, log, or tag? Tag. We're looking for a word that starts with G. Is it gas, bag, mat, or peace? Which word starts with the? Yes. Well done. You're done for today's lesson.